Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya. Guys, Ubaloyi has gone too far. Very far, he's gone too far, Ubaloyi, with the lies. Yeah, guys. Even insurance, I think it's just like, what am I gonna do me now with this? But this is like serious hogwash, like how Omnesi will say. For example, guys, he's busy convincing us Ubaloyi Oguti. This is how Ntanzi was buying airtime from his phone. And Ntanzi keeps on saying, please, when I was arrested. In fact, when they arrested me in the house, already they took the phone from me. But bangibuza bathi, where is your phone? Ngabanikeza phone. So who is buying airtime? Who's calling who? He even said yesterday, would see e-charger. Where was the charger? When is this phone gonna be charged? Because it's been working, the phone. So what happened was that today the court had to adjourn early because Ntanzi is going to consult. So you ask yourself, go to consult a Capitec? What's a bank account? Is he going to consult Vodacom? Pinkify Darling must come back, or what's going to happen? Because is an expert. Like how when you don't work for some type of network, MTN or Vodacom or Celsi, or 7 happen for the to be expect some phone. Like that's all you do. Go to 7 subs, please, guys. It's a lot. His lies, nayagasas. Like have you ever heard Uchwe Umuntu believes their own lies? And Manje, I'm sure he feels like, oh my gosh, this guy is messing up so much. Ubaloyi, why is he reading those things? Those things don't work. Like, there's nothing there. And the defense has been telling Ubaloyi for the past at least 4 days, please stop with this reading. Others was like, Mina, I don't want to be seen as biased. Like, abantu kusho uyayifunda vele. Like, uhlezi yena social media agayi check. He does Others check social media. Velo, we've been saying Uguti is biased for at least for the past 3 years. We've been saying Uguti is biased, and he is. So he was just like, funda, please, because I don't want to be in trouble. Balui funda Gwasan. Ufunda Ubalui from Uhesh. Kuzogyophuma angaziwe. He's just been doing the crap only. The whole day. Today was all got no. We are actually enough of you. And you know what I like also? Urambusepil is in another level. I can see the defense. I've spoken about defense already yesterday, but my thing is that Uyena, Attorney Ramosepil and Ntanzi, they are in another level. They're spitting fire. Ntanzi is like, yeah, Baloyi. Please, I'm in this court. Just leave me alone with that Capitec and those hashtags that you are reading there. Airtime. How can I buy airtime, bruh? When I don't have a phone, I'm telling you, I didn't have a phone. Baba is those things. Where was I? No, my pen. Oh, my pen and I did a lot. And at first, it's crazy how my pen, especially in 2025, a bit of beginning of 2025 and end of 2024. Hang on, my pen. What happened to him? Was he also unalived? Like the other 10, the witnesses that we wanted that court. Hey, what's going on? But also the mysterious unaliving or passing of these people, you are left like, wow.
The acronym USSD, we referred to it yesterday, stands for Unstructured Supplementary Service Data, and it says Interactive Network Function, example *140 *082, and that will also include the values that we refer to *130 *3279 hash and *120 3279 hash. And in the explanation of call data terms, *130* is defined as 0 rated for financial institutions, in other words, no airtime is needed for this transaction, then you then have the *120 star. Airtime is needed for this transaction. And just briefly to refer to the evidence of Ms. Fillingham in this regard, on the 14th of June 2024, page 7, line 8, Ms. Fillingham, you can recharge over a USSD stream. You can recharge via your bank app, and another person can buy you airtime and send to your phone. And regarding the security pattern, we've already referred to the evidence of Warrant Officer Ndlovu on the 10th of June 2025 at page 41, where he testified as follows at line number 3, Mr. Ndlovu, when we are talking about a pattern, it means the owner of the cell phone, he or she usually set it as a security. Therefore, this means that if the owner of the said cell phone is not around, therefore a second person cannot be able to make an outgoing call nor to receive a phone call. Simply because the cell phone will be locked. Therefore, that is the reason as to why I had not been, therefore that is the reason as to why I was not able to download to the cell phone. No evidence from the cell phone because the owner of the cell phone was not present, and Dr. Sibanda then asked him as to whether this pattern, is it a pattern that you have to input into a device? Then Mr. Ndlovu, Warrant Officer Ndlovu responds as follows: yes, the pattern, it is made by the owner of the cell phone so that you can protect the data from of the cell phone. Then Dr. Sibana asks him, does this pattern, correct me if I'm wrong, does it work like a signature wherein only the person that signs can repeat the exact same pattern? And he responds as follows at line 22. Warrant Officer Ndlovu, I can agree with you in terms of the recording is indistinct. The only person who can be able to unlock the cell phone, it is the person who was making that pattern. And he carries on to mention the activities that you cannot carry out when the cell phone is locked. That is found on page 42. We've already placed that on record. We're not going to repeat that, my lord. Thank you. That's all.
umshushisi sisekubona-ke lo ebechaza-ke ukuthi-ke i-USSD kusho ukuthini-ke nomkhulumane washo-ke ngo-star 140 star 1082 okwazi ukuthi-ke usebenzise kuyona-ke i-USSD, nokuthi uma ngabe ufaka u-star 130 star 3279 hash akuna-airtime edingekayo lapho. Kodwa-ke uma ngabe usebenzisa u-star 120 star 3279 hash, lapho-ke i-airtime iyadingeka. Wase futhi-ke ekhuluma ngabo ubufakazi bakhe-ke, noma ngena kubona-ke ubufakazi buka-Warrant Officer Ndlovu, owasho-ke tshela le nkantolo ukuthi uma ngabe kunephethini efonini, lokho kusho ukuthi-ke umnikazi wayo uyisebenzise-ke iphethini leyo ngokuvikela ecelake noma ukuvala-ke ucingo, okusho ukuthi umuntu wesibili akangeke-ke akwazi ukuthi enze noma-ke ashaye ucingo noma-ke atholeke ucingo olungenayo. Isizathu-ke leso esambangela ukuthi-ke angakwazi-ke ukuthi ifoni leyo ayidownloade akukho, nofuthi ubufakazi-ke ngokusho kwakho Warrant Officer Ndlovu abuthola kwi-cellphone ngoba ifoni leyo yayivaliwe. Umuntu kuphela ongakwazi-ke ukuthi awuvule umakhalekhukhwini uma ngabe kunjalo uyena-ke umnikazi wefoni ekuyena oyaziyo i-pattern.
Yes, let's see you, Mr. Nisi.
Made a ruling yesterday that...
yeah, but let's hear you. Do you have anything to say?
No, I'm just saying that the court said yesterday that we can bring our own expert, my lord.
Fine. Let's hear you, Mr. Ramsipidi.
As the court persists, my lord, before I venture into the issue that we were meant to research, with respect to the Standard Bank Section 205s, without going up and down, I forgot yesterday, but I'll make this request today that I be furnished with same, including my colleagues as well. The other issue, but let me leave it for now. I'll discuss it with the state, my lord. With respect to this, Mr. Baloyi has gone to length, my lord, to explain how you buy airtime, which interface do you use. By interface, I mean the USSD. However, what he failed to address the court on, and that what is pertinent, was the issue of pattern matched. Because yesterday when I left, I told them I know what pattern matched means. There's a company that provides all network providers with an interface to operate these USSDs. That company is called Pattern Matched Technologies or Solutions Pty Limited. And I'll leave it at that because I don't know what they do with the banks. Somebody from Pattern Matched or from the bank can come and explain how that interface works with the USSDs, how you send the OTPs to somebody that wants to access their mobile money app and all of that, my lord. But as I stand here, that has got nothing to do with the pattern code that Mr. Ntanzi says my phone had a pattern. Before you access my phone, you use that pattern because otherwise it will be foolhardy, my lord. And I'll not testify, because this is a research. On my own bank statement, when I buy my data, it does not say passcode because I've got a passcode. It does not say passcode accessed. It's got nothing to do with my security as to how I access that device. I'm not an expert. I'll leave it at that, my lord. The research that I've done is that this company called Pattern Matched Solutions or Technologies, Ms. Vatilingen or somebody from that company can come and explain the modalities of how they work with the service providers.
Yes, Mr. Normal.
My lord, on the first issue of the bank records, on the issue of the bank records, I've tried so hard yesterday to search or to look for my exhibits. More so, the state did not lead any evidence regarding the bank records, if I remember very well. So the Standard Bank records, if I remember very well, so it was hard for me to trace and find the bank records of Standard Bank that the state is referring to. If the state can assist me with the exhibit number of the Standard Bank records so that one can follow the proceedings.
Okay. Is that it?
My lord, on the issue of the pattern match, I think it was prudent for the state to lead Ms. Pinky Vitillingham on the aspect of the pattern match, because the pattern match, as my colleague Advocate Msololo indicated yesterday, it is not on the glossary of the list of definitions. So one cannot assume that on the language that the state intend to use about the meaning of pattern match, that it means what the state is alleging. So I'll agree with my colleague, Mr. Ramsepele, that we need somebody from the Vodacom expert, because ultimately, my lord, it is the duty of the state to prove the case beyond reasonable doubt. There is no reverse on us. Thank you.
Yeah, but I listened to Warrant Officer Ndlovu.
I also listened, my lord, to the
he gave
evidence.
us a lecture
Yes.
on how it works.
Yes, but
Okay, I'll leave it at that. But I listened.
But is it in the language of the Section 205 records? I think that's where the contentious issue is.
Have you given the gentleman the Section 205 records?
For the Standard Bank account.
Yeah.
Yes, my lord, that is the information that was requested by the defense, and it was given to them. There was no need for us to use it, so it doesn't serve as an exhibit before this
But
court.
you gave them that?
Yes, my colleague informs me that we did give them that information.
Nomzana Ntanzi, umnisomake uthi-ke uzolandela-ke lo inkantolo ekushilo izolo ukuthi-ke bangeza nongoti wabo mayelana nalolu daba lolu. Ubaba uMsipile uthi-ke koke ngizwile ubaba ubaloyi esho-ke echazela inkantolo-ke ukuthi-ke yini-ke kufanele uyenze ukuthi la magama asho ukuthini. Kodwa-ke lodwa-ke igama angalishilo yikona-ke nje ababenenkinga nalo-ke izolo ukuthi kula magama abhaliwe laphayana alikho. Leli-ke uzokhumbula uma simane sibheka-ke laphaya kulama-calls la bekubhalwe khona u-party match. Bathi-ke kula magama lawana alikho, futhi namanje kuyona-ke inkulumo yakhe akakhulumanga ngalo, akashilo. Manje-ke yena-ke uthi-ke kucwaningo lwakhe alenzile ubaba uMsipile ikhona-ke ikhampani ayitholile-ke ekuyiyona-ke esebenza ngawo-ke lama-party match, kodwa-ke uthi nje uzokuyeka lapho, kodwa uyayitshela nje inkantolo yazo. So bakhuluma okodwa-ke ubaba uMsipile naye-ke bakunqumalo ukuthi-ke okungasiza ukuthi-ke kutholakale umuntu obuya lapho engaba uyena ongaza la enkantolo atshele inkantolo ukuthi kusho ukuthini, hhayi ukuthi kube umbuso noma umshushisi otshela inkantolo lokho. Kodwa-ke ngokuphathelene Section 205 ase-Standard Bank, umshushisi uthi-ke uyaqinisekisa nakuzakwabo eceleni kwakhe ukuthi abameli bayinikezwe lo mininingwane leyo, kodwa-ke uyasho advocate uNqumalo ukuthi ubhekile, kodwa-ke akakutholanga ndawo.
Yeah, okay. Let's continue, Mr. Baloyi.
Sorry.
Ngithi mina phambi kwenkantolo ngazuthi anginayo statement ase-Standard Bank ngiyangumangele mina ngicala ukuyibona lapha manje.
According to my knowledge as well, my lord, I do not have a bank statement of Standard Bank. I saw it for the first time. I got surprised when I saw it here. Kwenziwa nango-August ka-2018.
Mina ngazuthi ngithi phambi kwenkantolo kuzoba nzima ukuthi ngiphendule izinto engingazazi kwa-Vodacom ukuthi lena isho ukuthini lena imelele ukuthini.
Hence, I am saying before the court, my lord, that it will be difficult for me to respond on Vodacom-related matters and say that this means this and this is the meaning of this.
We also gave you the tower information, which was Queenswood, on this transaction. 25 October 2020.
Ukuthi kulena ke yange 25 ka October 2020 itower yakhona kwakuyi Queenswood.
Kusenkantolo kwangena phone.
My lord, I had no phone.
Yes, but in 2018 you did have a phone, is that not so?
Kodwa ke ngo-2018 ifoni wawunayo.
Mina ngikuphiki phambi kwenkantolo.
I am not denying that or disputing that before the court.
Into engingayazi lezo ongibuza zona labo staba nibayo ukuthi lezo ngeke ngizengikwazi ukusiphendula phambi kwenkantolo ngoba angizazi zisho ukuthini.
What I don't know, it's what the state is mentioning to me, the star what. I won't be able to mention that and say what does it mean.
Now again, on the AMA data stream shows that again on 4 August 2018 the number 060901 6890 on 4 August 2018 at 11:37:47 performed a USSD transaction lasting 7 minutes. The tower was Western Platinum NGA3.
Lange 4 August 2018 isikhathi 11:37:47 number 0609016890 kune USSD eyenziwa ke lapho eyathatha ama seconds awu7 itower ke evelayo ke lapha u2G Western Platinum NGA3.
Now, to determine the nature of the transaction, we look at the USSD stream, which indicates that your number 060-901-16890 transaction pattern matched, and the values *120*3279# were input on the 4th of August 2018 at 11:37:47.
Lana ke uma sibuka ke ukuthi ke loya USSD kusho ukuthini ke noma kwenziwani nanguke nayi date 4/08/2018 11:37:47 inamba yakho 0609016890 lo khombisa ke lapha *120*3279#.
What is your comment?
Kubhaliwe ke futhi basibhala futhi ke no pattern match. Uthini ke lokho?
Mina ngishilo phambi konke ngiyakwazi ukuphendula izinto za Vodacom engazazi ukuthi imele ini.
I said it before the court that I won't be able to respond to Vodacom related matters as to what they mean.
And you were using the number and the device at the time.
Wena owawusebenzisa inamba kanye nawo umakhalekhukhwini uqobo ngaleso sikhathi leso.
Ngasiphi isikhathi 21
Referring to which
2018.
2018.
Kosenkantolo mifuna zange ngiphike phambi kwakho.
My lord, I never denied the phone before the court.
Futhi azange ngiphike inamba yami phambi kwenkantolo.
And I also never denied my number before the court.
Mina into engipha phambi kwenkantolo ngithi June 16 mangiboshwe ifoni yami yathathwa amafoni amayi2.
What I am saying before this court, my lord, is that on the 16th of June, when on the day of my arrest, 2 of my phones were confiscated.
Ukuthi ifoni lapha yayikhona emaphoyiseni yayenzwani mina ngaza ayikho engayiphendula.
As to what was being done with my phone or with the phone where it was, with nothing I can respond to.
The phone also had a pattern in 2018, is that correct?
Now 2018 iphone lena yeah in a pattern angithi.
Yebo.
Yes.